This wonderful new accessory called the MB-100 now allows us to sharpen our tools if we wish to on the side of the diamond wheel. Quite simple to apply. I'm taking the universal support arm out and replacing it with the MB-100. I'm putting in about halfway just to start. Then I'm going to place the universal support arm with the long projection upwards, lock it in place, and just offer the tool, in this instance the SVS Multi Jig, and just see, and I just happen to be hitting it lucky this time, that I'm ready to fine tune and grind on the side of this tool, thus giving a flat bevel instead of a concave one. Extremely useful new product. Placing it on the universal support arm, well away from the diamond wheel, swinging around carefully and engaging the surface. Once we're engaged, we can then carefully move up and down. This is not possible on a stone, only possible on the diamond, as we won't wear down the surface unevenly. And you can see we're quite fast approaching getting rid of that hollow grind. Until we have our flat bevel. I'm sure there'll be many positions you find to put this new MB-100. It will go in both locations and offers numerous opportunities to put the universal support arm in over our work. Of course, lots of adjustments to get this into a position we want to work with. I look forward to using it.